Lesson 3-4, Percent Change. Percent change is found by taking the amount of change and dividing by the original number. Example 1, we're going to find each percent change and round to the nearest tenth of a percent. So our first problem is 27 is decreased to 20. So we're going to find the percent change. Remember, that's the amount of change divided by the original. So the amount of the change is that it's going from 27 down to 20. So the change is just the difference of 27 and 20. The original is the starting number. It started at 27. So now we can simplify this. 27 minus 20 is 7, so the change was 7. That makes sense. 27 down to 20 it drops 7 over the original 27. And we end up with a fraction, and we're looking for a percent. So remember, to go from a fraction to a percent, we divide 7 divided by 27. And you get a decimal that keeps going across your calculator screen. 0.259259. It just keeps on going. So we're going to go 2 places right to get 25.9, and we're rounding to the nearest tenth of a percent, and we're finished. So there was a 25.9% decrease. B part, 32 is increased to 67. So we're going to find the percent change. We're first going to find out what the change was. It went from 32 to 67. So I'm just going to subtract the larger number minus the smaller number. And the original is 32. That's where it started. So 67 minus 32 is 35. 35 divided by 32 is a decimal, 1.09375. And it ends there. And then we're going to move our decimal places 2 places right to get 109.4 when we round percent. And it was a 109.4% increase. Example 2 is using some percent change within a word problem. It's not going to be using the same skill that we just learned of determining the percent change, but it's using a change in percent to answer a question. So this word problem, example 2, Winter Wonders buys snow globes for $9.20 each and sells them at a 95% markup. What is the retail price of the snow globes? First, we need to know what a markup is. A markup is an increase in price. Businesses can buy goods at a lower price because they buy them in bulk. They get a lot of items at once, so the price is lower. And then they can turn around and sell them at retail price. That's the price they sell them to the customers, which is higher than the starting point, the wholesale price. So first of all, we want to figure out what the increase is. We know it's a 95% increase, but we want to find what amount of money that is. So step 1, we want to find the increase. So it's a 95% markup, so 95% of the original price, $9.20. Change 95% to a decimal. Of means times. And when we multiply 0.95 times 9.20, we get 8.74. And since we're dealing with money, we need a dollar sign. And it's already in the hundredths place. So $8.74 makes sense. Step 2, we're actually going to find the retail price, what it's asking for. So we know the original price and we know what the markup is, so we just add them together. The original price was $9.20 plus the markup was $8.74. We add them together to get $17.94. So that's the price that customers will pay for snow globes, which is called the retail price.